going to recall for us the first 100 digits of pi. Have you ever attempted this before?
No.
Did you ever think it is going to be possible in your lifetime to be able to do this?
I mean, it's not impossible, but
Yes.
I've never thought about it.
Yes. Did you ever think that in less than 12 hours of training, and in those 12 hours we learned many things, not just how to learn the value of pi, in many things. So average, I would say the learning time on this particular thing, what she's about to demonstrate, is probably 2-3 hours. Is that fair? Yeah. In 2-3 hours of learning, absorption, using the methods, she's going to attempt to recall the first 100 digits of pi. All right? So Shreya, whenever you're ready, you all have it memorized, right? The 100 digits of pi? No? Then how will we know if she's right or not? All right, okay. I'll make it easy for you parents. Wait a second.
Okay.
All right. So some of you may have phones connected to Google. You can check there. But I made it easy. I brought that up for you on the screen here. So Shreya, whenever you're ready. 1 second, let me get out of the way. Okay, go ahead.
3.1415926535 8979 32 38 46 26 43 38 32 79 50 28 8 4 1 9 7 1 6 9 3 9 9 3 7 5 1 0 5 8 2 0 9 7 4 9 4 4 5 9 2 3 0 7 8 1 6 6, 4, 0, 6, 2, 8, 6, 2, 0, 8, 9, 9, 8, 6, 2, 8, 0, 3, 4, 8, 2, 5, 3, 4, 2, 1, 1, 7, 0, 6, 7, 9.
Take a deep breath. How do you feel, Shreya?
I'm like shaking right now, but it's really cool.
Yes. Right. How do you feel having done this with 100% accuracy? 100% accuracy?
Yes.
How do you feel?
Awesome.
Awesome. Did you ever imagine that you will be able to accomplish what you just did in a matter of 2-3 hours of training?
No.
No. What changed? You speak into the mic, let the audience know what changed for you.
Well, with the things that we've learned, like I'm more confident that I can learn things in short periods of time, and I don't have to spend all night studying for tests, and I can remember them for a long time. So.
All right. Great job.